Namaste. I hope you enjoy doing logic puzzles. If you are very good at them, you will probably make a good computer scientist. Sudoku, a famous puzzle based on a grid of numbers. All puzzles need the ability to think logically. Let us know more about the cut block puzzle by Japanese inventor Naoki Inaba. Outer, larger rectangle has a block of squares with different areas marked out using darker lines. This one has 4 areas, each with a different number of squares. There are 2 rules that you must follow to complete the puzzle. Each area must contain the numbers from 1 up to the number of squares in that area. Topmost area of this puzzle has 5 squares, so it must be filled with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the first rule. No number can be next to the same number in any direction, horizontally, vertically or diagonally. This is the second rule. Grid comes pre-filled with some numbers present. Let me solve this simple puzzle for you. Here is the logical reasoning I use to complete the puzzle, based on the rules and the numbers given. At the bottom right is an area containing a single square. That area has a size 1, so must contain the numbers from 1 up to 1. Next, at the bottom left we have an area of 2 squares. It must contain the numbers 1 and 2. One square already has a number 2, so the only possibility left for the other square is 1. The remaining 2 areas have 4 and 5 squares respectively. We now have to be a bit attentive. Look at the one in the bottom corner. That means none of the 3 squares around it can be 1. However, that area has only 4 squares in it, and one of them must be 1. That means the last square in the area that is not next to the 1 must be the 1. Now where the number 2 will go in the same area? Now we can try and work out where the 2 goes in that same area. There is also a 4 above that area and the new 4 cannot be next to it. It must be at the bottom. That determines the position for 3 and 4 for the remaining 2 places. We are now left with the topmost area. Let us fill it up using the same reasoning. Now we have solved the puzzle. We did it by applying 2 rules and our basic facts of known numbers. While solving this puzzle, we have been using a particular kind of logical reasoning called deduction, where we work from the known facts and the rules of the puzzle to give us a new facts. Computer scientists and mathematicians use similar reasoning. Good programmers use this kind of reasoning to convince themselves that their programs do really work. Now that you know how to solve the cut block puzzle, give it a try yourself with 2-3 examples. Thank you.